Welcome everybody, let's make these flowers stick using craft paper. So take a small piece of craft paper and start folding it. We are going to make the petals, paste it, and then we are going to make more such shapes and paste all of them on this circle one after another like this. And look, your flower is ready. Then we are going to put a pearl at the center. Now we are going to make multiple cut on this strip and fold it and make the frill like this and paste all of them on the stick by rolling it. And look, it is done. Now we are going to paste the flower, and look, your flower stick is ready. Look at these cute little school bags. Let's make it using craft paper. For that, take a craft paper and then start folding it from its diagonals like this. Again, fold it into 3 parts and do this from other side as well. Now we are going to fold it. We're making a box here for the bag, and look, it is ready. After that, we are going to put it inside, and look, your bag is ready. Then we are going to take another piece of paper and start folding it like this. Make multiple folds and it's done. We are going to make the pockets. Then we are going to make 2 strips of paper like this and paste all of them like we are doing here. We are also pasting this handle, and look, your mini bag is ready. Look at these cute little 3D heart shapes. Let's make it. So take a square paper and start folding it like we are doing here. Then we are going to fold it from its corners and tug it inside from other side like this. Now flip it and again fold it and give it a shape of heart. Press it and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like